Good morning, students. So we have to do lesson 9, the zebra's pajamas. So first of all, before starting the chapter, we must know about zebras. So see, zebras have
Zebras have black and white stripes. Zebras are mostly found in Africa. Zebra crossings are named after the black and white stripes of zebras. Zebras mostly eat grass. Zebras can stand up while sleeping. The ear of a zebra shows its mood. A baby zebra is called a calf. Zebras have excellent eyesight and hearing.
so students. Now you have listened about zebras. So now let's start the lesson. And the lesson name is the zebra's pajamas. So this is lesson 9, the zebra's pajamas. So let's start the lesson. So here on page 70, difficult words are given here. Always on the move. It means always running around. See in your book also it's written. The word meanings are given and had a wild streak in him means did crazy things sometimes. Crazy means foolish things sometimes. So when we read the chapter, then I will tell you other meanings also. So let's start. See the book also. Have you ever wondered why zebras always wear pajamas? Of course, they cannot now remove them. They have become a part of their skin. So these are the imaginative stories, and this story is written by Vishwajit Das. And in this chapter, so have you ever wondered why zebras always wear pajamas? So here pajamas means that's why the zebra is having the white and black stripes. It means that is like a pajamas, and of course they cannot now remove them. So they have become a part of their skin. Now this is not that they are wearing pajama. This is the part of their skin. So this is the imaginative story. So, but long, long ago, just see, but long, long ago, in the days when animals behaved like humans, in the great animal world, there lived a horse family. But long, long ago means a long time ago. This is the imaginative story. And in the days when animals they behaved like humans. Have you seen animals that they are just behaving like humans? This is a story. And in this, the animals are behaving like humans. And in the great animal world, there lived a horse family. So, this is a horse family. So, after this, there were the brothers Stallion, Mule, and Little Zebra, and their sister Palomino. So, in zebra family, there were the brothers Stallion, Mule, and Little Zebra, and their sister Palomino. Okay, so he is zebra and sister, and he is mule, and he is stallion. So you must know their names also, and the spellings also you have to learn. So stallion and palomino were wild creatures, always on the move. So out of these four, the stallion and palomino sister were wild creatures. Means these are wild animals and always on the move. So that means they are always on the move. As I have told you the meaning also, always running means always playing and running around. Then Just see this, they always running and they love nature and fresh air and would get up early in the morning just to go for a run. And they love nature and fresh air. Why they are always on move? Because they love nature. They like to play outside and would get up early in the morning just to go for a run. Romp means to play or run in a very excited and noisy way. So, romp means to play in a or run in a happy, excited, and noisy way. Okay, so they both are always on a move, means always running around because they love nature also and the fresh air also and get up early in the morning to go for a run. So, see, they are running known to be restless and they always took an active part in whatever was happening around them. So, known to be restless means always on move. They are just moving and doing something, and they are just restless. They never rest. They could never stand still for long. Means they can't stand for any place for long time, and they always took an active part in whatever was happening around them. So and they are very active also, and whatever is happening around them, they are involved in that. They are actively taking part in that activity. Just see, Mule, though not as wild as his brother Stallion and sister Palomino, so he is Mule, he was not as wild as the sister Palomino and Stallion, but he was, though not as wild as his brother, sister Palomino. Now you came to know how he is. Nevertheless, had a wild streak in him which showed itself in the most unexpected moments. So, nevertheless, had a wild streak in him. Wild streak in him means he's not so much wild like them, but he had a wild streak in him. Wild means sometimes he do some crazy things, foolish things. We show that itself in the most unexpected moment. That some surprising things sometimes he do, and he don't know what he has done. And he was known to be stubborn but could work hard. So he was known to be stubborn. What do you mean by stubborn? Means to do what he wants and refuse to do anything. Stubborn मतलब जिद्दी होता है ना, जैसे जो उसने सोचा वो ही करना है, किसी की नहीं माननी. Means refuse to do anything else but wants to do what he wants. Okay, he do what he wants. But he is hardworking, but could work hard. But Muley is hardworking. He was stubborn also, but is hardworking. Little Zebra, the youngest of the four, and Zebra was the youngest of the four. They all were elders and was very different from his brothers and sisters. And he was not like his brothers and sisters. Means different means he's not like his brothers and sisters. He is very different from his brothers and sisters. He did not work like Mule. Mule is also hardworking, and but Zebra, he did not work like Mule. He was not active like Stallion and Palomino. As I have told you, Stallion and Palomino was very active, and they are always on move, always doing some activity and running here and there and playing. And but he was not active like their brother and sister. All he did was swish his tail and laze about the house. So, this line shows that Zebra is very lazy. He lays about the house as all he did was swish his tail, means move his tail side to side. Okay, always just sitting and moving his tail and lazy about the house, always just doing the lazy things. In the mornings, when his brother and sister would go out for a run, so in the morning, when his brothers and sister they all go for a run, what the zebra do? Little zebra could be seen wearing his night pajamas and he would refuse to join them. As zebra was very lazy, so little zebra could be seen wearing his night pajamas. So you can also see he is wearing his night pajamas and he would refuse to join them because he is very lazy and he always say no, that I will not go with you. Always refuse to join them. At night, when Stallion and Palomino would go for an after dinner gala, so at night also, in the morning also, he refused to go with them, and at night also, when Stallion and Palomino, as they are very active, always they are on move, always in morning and evening, always they are just running from the house and would go for an after dinner gala. They're also going after dinner for a walk or for a run. So, but zebra, you see, zebra would again refuse to join them. Then zebra again say no, that I will not go with you, saying that he was feeling sleepy. And but he said at night that he was feeling sleepy. Now he wants to sleep. And he would promptly change into his pajamas. So, what do you mean by this line? And little zebra more or less lived in his pajamas. And he would promptly, what do you mean by promptly means at once. And when he said that he will not go with them as he is feeling sleepy, then at once he changed into his pajamas and go to sleep. And now we will continue this chapter, okay, in next Zoom class. Okay, thank you, students.